Hi Music Ministry class. This is a video to review what we need to do at the first lesson, that we have each week, and that is upload practice and upload devotions. So you go to your class notebook and you go to your name. I'm going to use somebody else's as an example. I'm going to use Aaron. As you can see, Aaron has a devotions section and a practice diary section. In the devotion section, he's got week 3, week 4, week 5, and look at it, what he's done. He's already uploaded, I should say, each one. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new section, new page, I should say, week 6. So by the way, week 3 is actually second devotion. Devotion number 2. And then when you get to week 4, you're submitting devotion number 3. When you get to week 5, it's Jesus Over Everything, devotion number 4, etc., etc. So in week 6, this is where you're going to upload devotion number 5. I'd like this done before class, so I can just go in and mark it. The other thing that you need to do before the first lesson of each week is upload your practice. So this should be week 5's practice. Then I'll do a new right click, new page, week 6, and this is where you upload your practice. Just a snip will do unless you're using a digital platform. Thank you very much.